Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, quiz, or feedback form, customizing the appearance helps make your forms look more professional and aligned with your brand. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to create your form. After logging in, you'll see your Forms dashboard where you can access all your existing forms. Now click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This will open up a fresh canvas where you can begin adding questions and customizing the design. You'll notice a simple default layout appears, but we're going to transform that into something much more visually appealing. In the upper right toolbar, look for the Customize Theme button. It usually appears as a palette icon. Click on it, and this will open up a customization panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens for styling your form. In the right panel, navigate to the header section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you select the font text for your header. Click on it and browse through the available font options. Once you've chosen your preferred font style, you can also change the font size by clicking the number beside it. Adjusting the header font ensures your form's title stands out and captures attention right from the start. Next, navigate down to the Questions section. Click the drop-down menu here to select the text style for your questions. This is important because it affects how readable and organized your form looks. After selecting your font, change the font size by clicking the number beside it to make sure your questions are clear and easy to read. You can also customize the regular text by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting your preferred text style. Again, adjust the font size by clicking the number beside it. This ensures consistency across all the text elements in your form, creating a cohesive and polished appearance. Now let's make your form even more visually appealing by adding a header image. Navigate back to the header section and click Choose Image. This opens up several options for you. You can upload your own image to use as the header, or you can access your Google Photos if you have images stored there. Alternatively, if you want something quick and free, click on Themes. You'll see a variety of pre-designed header images to choose from. Browse through them, select your preferred theme, and click Insert. This instantly adds a professional-looking header to your form. If you want to further personalize your form, you can change the background color. Simply select your preferred background color by clicking on the color palette. Choose a color that complements your header image and overall design. This small touch can make a big difference in how your form looks and feels. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Google form with personalized fonts, sizes, header images, and background colors. Your form now looks professional and is ready to be shared with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.